Why automate your investment contributions?
Automating your investment contributions ensures you invest consistently, avoid emotional decisions, and make the most of compounding. By scheduling regular transfers, you save time and stay disciplined, even when life gets busy. Many finance apps make this process simple and reliable, giving you greater control over your financial goals with less effort.
Choose the right finance app.
Select a finance or investment app that supports automatic transfers to investment accounts. Popular options include apps from brokerages, banks, or dedicated robo-advisors. Look for features such as recurring transfers, flexible scheduling, and easy account linking. Always ensure the app is reputable, secure, and compatible with your preferred investment accounts.
Link your bank and investment accounts.
Before automating contributions, you'll need to link your bank account to your investment account within your chosen app. This usually involves entering your account information and confirming small test deposits. Follow the app's guided steps carefully and double-check all details for accuracy. Secure connections and verification steps help protect your financial data.
Set up automatic transfers.
Navigate to the section for automated transfers or recurring deposits in your finance app. Choose the amount you want to invest and how often, such as weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Select the source bank account and target investment account. Review the settings, then confirm to activate the automated contribution schedule. You can typically adjust or pause these at any time.
Monitor and adjust your contributions.
Check your transfer history and app notifications regularly to ensure automated contributions are working as planned. If your financial situation changes, adjust the amount, frequency, or pause transfers directly in the app. Periodically reviewing your contributions helps you stay on track and make the most of your investment strategy.